Slow down, take a breath, unfold your arms and strive to create a calm presence. This will help an Earth Green to relax and provide their best thinking. Support Earth Greens in their desire to help others and reward them for doing so. If you want to get the best from them, be patient and supportive. They are worried about people and how change and challenge will be received. If you want to hear an Earth Green's concerns and worries, encourage and welcome their contribution early in the conversation. Remember, Earth Greens will help give you the people perspective to your ideas. When you ask their opinion, give them time to answer. Don't fill the nanosecond reflection pause with your ideas. Provide opportunities to work in teams and give colleagues an opportunity to understand how their work contributes to the overall team's goal. Use tech to make virtual meetings more personal. Take time to connect at the beginning of meetings before jumping straight into the agenda. And finally, show your appreciation and remember to say thank you. This is super important to your colleagues who lead with Earth Green.